Hey, what up you guys? Sandhill Quest here. Look, we're just walking up M Hill here in Rapid City. I took bus to get down here, then I walked about 1.5 miles through the Monument Park and the Founders Park. Now I'm at the base of these trailheads, about to start climbing. Beautiful spot. Really kicking my butt getting out here. It's probably about 30 degrees. It was only supposed to get up to like 25, but with the sun out, garden going up. Absolutely beautiful up here. So thankful to have such a beautiful blue sky above me today. The last 4 or 5 days we've had overcast and just excruciating amount of snow. Didn't fall at once, but came steadily. Wow, this is a little bit deeper right here. Ooh, this is fun. Yep. So this is Founders Park. Trails. Now, when they stopped here back in the 1800s, they had written in the rock, in the sandstone, initials. People have seen cats up here. Lots of deer. That's about the only thing I can think of that I should be watching for. Maybe some beautiful birds. Otherwise, not much to think about. Now, I can see Star Village. It's just a little ways over. Now we're getting here to the top. Really deep snow. Beautiful. Wow.